Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 simple ways you can start earning money from the comfort of your home. Let's be real, who doesn't love the idea of making money in their pajamas? No more commuting, no more office drama, just you, your laptop, and the potential to earn some serious cash. Stick around to the end for my personal favorite way to make money online. It might just surprise you. First up, we have freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or anything in between, there's a freelance gig out there for you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. Think about what you're good at. Can you write captivating blog posts? Design eye-catching logos? Build websites from scratch? These are all valuable skills that businesses are willing to pay for. The best part about freelancing is that you're in control. You choose the projects you want to work on, set your rates, and work as much or as little as you like. It's the ultimate side hustle, or even a full-time career if you're dedicated enough. And don't worry if you're just starting out. There are plenty of resources available to help you build your portfolio and land your first clients. We'll link some helpful resources in the description below. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your boss, freelancing might be the perfect option for you. Next on our list is online tutoring. Are you a math whiz? A history buff? Maybe you're fluent in another language. If you have expertise in any subject, you can share your knowledge with students around the world and get paid for it. Platforms like TutorMe and Schooly make it easier than ever to connect with students who need help in your area of expertise. You can set your hourly rates, schedule sessions at your convenience, and even tutor from anywhere in the world. Online tutoring isn't just about academics either. You can teach music lessons, art classes, yoga, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about helping others learn and grow. Knowing that you're making a difference in someone's life while also earning money is a pretty awesome feeling. So, if you're passionate about a subject and enjoy helping others, online tutoring could be your ticket to earning money from home. Another great way to earn money from home is by selling handmade goods. Are you a crafting machine? Do you love creating unique and beautiful things? Then why not turn your passion into profit? Platforms like Etsy provide a global marketplace for artisans and crafters to sell their handmade goods. From jewelry and candles to clothing and home decor, there's a market for almost anything you can create. The key to success on Etsy is to find your niche. What makes your products unique and special? Once you've identified your target audience, you can start creating high-quality products that people will love. And don't be afraid to get creative with your marketing. Use social media to showcase your products, participate in craft fairs, and collaborate with other sellers. Selling handmade goods is a great way to share your creativity with the world while also earning some extra cash. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing someone fall in love with something you made with your own 2 hands. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorite ways to make money online because it allows you to earn passive income. That's right, you can literally make money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. You can find affiliate programs for almost anything these days, from clothing and electronics to travel and software. One of the easiest ways to get started with affiliate marketing is to start a blog or YouTube channel in a niche that you're passionate about. Then you can naturally incorporate affiliate links into your content. For example, if you have a blog about hiking, you could include affiliate links to hiking boots, backpacks, and other gear that you recommend. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing does take some effort up front to build an audience and create high-quality content. But once you've put in the work, you can start earning passive income for months or even years to come. And finally, we have becoming a virtual assistant. This is a great option for anyone who is organized, efficient, and enjoys helping others. Many businesses are looking for remote help with administrative tasks, social media management, customer service, and more. The great thing about being a virtual assistant is that you can often set your hours and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, you can choose to specialize in a particular area that interests you, such as social media marketing or bookkeeping. Platforms like Upwork and Indeed are great places to find virtual assistant jobs. You can also network with businesses directly and offer your services. Being a virtual assistant can be a demanding job, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll be helping businesses grow and succeed while also earning a good income. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Remember, earning money from home is within your reach. It all starts with taking that first step and exploring the possibilities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, there's an option out there for you. Now get out there and start earning. See you in the next video.